I love having emus. I'm not gonna lie, this is one of my favorite animals on the farm now. Water's like 80 degrees. I set up another little filter there for more flow. That's locked. Look what's here. Do you know what's coming?
Nope.
That's crazy. It smells so good. Am I weird for that?
Yeah.
Big old goldfish. Colors on that Oscar are. It's like, I think we're gonna do 20 of each. Yo, I'm actually really stoked with that. They're all in a school. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video here. I have a 120-gallon tank behind me and it has my axolotls in it. I love these axolotls, but there's not enough movement in the tank. Today, I think we need to go buy fish for this aquarium. No wasting time. Let's do it. That's locked. You hear what he said? I love it. You look at him rolling his eyes. He goes, 12 o'clock, sees it's me, he goes, ah. A little 10-minute VIP here. Mark Sark, shout out to Mark Sark. Mark, I snuck into your shop a little early. That is one crazy looking fish. Or eel. Oh,
there you go.
Oh, wow, you weren't kidding. What a weird creature, huh?
That's cool.
That's an aba. One crazy species right there. Now, we have a big selection of fish. As you know, we're doing this for the AXOLOTL Aquarium, which after doing some research, certain fish aren't okay to be with them, but you know, most community fish we're good with. Especially axolotls like mine. They're so mellowed out. They literally just want bloodworms, that's about it. And we feed them consistently, keeping their bellies full. I was gonna do discus and stuff like that, but discus require very warm water. So we didn't want to do that. Although these discus would be super cool, they're just a little tough right now. The archer fish would be another really cool fish. Unfortunately, I don't think that would be the one to go in for this tank. I want more schooling stuff, you know? Archer fish are cool though. They just spit water and shoot crickets and stuff off branches and then they eat them. You ever seen the video?
No.
Oh dude, I gotta show you this.
It shoots water.
Yes, that's why they're called archer fish.
Native hunter has evolved a highly skilled approach.
That's the archer fish.
What?
See? Ready?
Dude.
How crazy is that?
That's nuts.
The archer fish.
That's the craziest fish I've
little,
ever seen.
That's this little guy right here. He's just a baby though. But how dope would that be?
That would
to
be
do like a
super
dope
sick.
aquarium with plants hanging over in a book? That'd be cool.
That would be cool.
That's a big old discus right there. Some angelfish. No problem with angelfish is they're a little nippy. They like to nip
Oh,
that
really?
stuff. Yeah. Parrots. Low tiger barb. Big old goldfish. Cool. Look at the colors on that one. I like that. Some arowana. Some silver arowanas. Let's see what they got inside the big old predatory pond. They got a little Midas. Look how beautiful the colors on that Oscar are. It's like red. If only my pond wasn't sick right now, I would scoop that son of a gun. Oh yeah. We're not only talking fish today, we got ball pythons that are looking a little active. Probably gonna eat soon. I love coming here. I feel like one thing I'm missing in my life is my own pet store. I feel like PC Pet Store would be an absolute movie. But I do have some really cool plans. You never know. We might have a PC fish store already in the making. We don't. I never got a feeding in a pet store before. That's cool.
We just got that albino in.
I was just about to say, that is one of the craziest colors.
Pretty, right?
Yeah, like a red. And then the yellow's not even like, it's a very
Like a
dull.
pale yellow.
Yeah, it's a very dull yellow. And that is red. That ain't no like orange. Oh my gosh, I want that thing so bad. Dang it. Wish the pond was good right now. Thanks for the feeding. These red ones right here. See them all?
Yeah.
Those are kind of cool.
Yeah, those are.
The only thing is they're $4.49 per fish. So like if we wanted to make any
20
sort
of
of
them?
anything in there, yeah, it's like 20 minimum. So now just for a little bit of further idea on what I'm talking about with the axolotls living with fish is, again, like I had mentioned, we keep our axolotls very full, so they're never really looking and hunting for food. But if they were, right, you're gonna want a fish that could get away, that could escape them. So something faster than axolotl. Axolotl, one, is not accurate at all, and two, doesn't really like chase after stuff, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like they just kind of eat and sit there. As you can see right here, the only small tank mates that will be well suited for an axolotl are fish that are fast enough to get away from an axolotl, which is dang near anything. But some great options are neon tetras, guppies, rasboras, you know, probably some of these mollies and platies, like they're all fast enough.
Should I do 20 of them?
I feel like that would be so cool.
Do it.
So maybe let's do 20 of these. Now another option is the X-ray tetra. These right here are literally called X-ray tetras. They're see-through fish. So let the camera focus on them for a sec. Look at that. You literally could see right through them. I mean, That's awesome. I think we're gonna do 20 of each, and then we'll get neon tetras a separate time because we gotta order those in. They don't have them, but we'll order them in and get neon. So we have a bunch of tetras that kind of surround the tank, and the axolotls are down beneath. So currently netting the X-ray tetras, 20 of those, and then we have 20 of these red serpent, you said, right?
Serpent.
We have 20 of these red serpent tetras over here as well. This tank's big, so I guarantee you, although it's 40, it won't even look like this 40 fish. Promise you that. Look at all those flakes. That is a lot of fish flakes right there. That's crazy. It smells so good. Am I weird for that?
Yeah.
Look what's here. Oh yeah. We got some live fish that just arrived. Do you know what's coming?
No, because Jeremy doesn't order. So besides of what, oh, see, like I said, first thing, feeders. Whole bag of guppies.
Top box isn't too interesting. Let's see, you know? Let's see what the middle box is.
Haha,
Oh, yeah,
good
here.
stuff.
Here we go.
Got a couple fancy little dudes in there. Just regular peacock male.
Some nice male beta fish.
We got some fancy dudes. Most of these are just tetras, a lot of neons. Got some more tetras in here.
Yep, straight from the farm. We just buy the whole school right here. I'll take this with it.
Fatties are set up to use as feeders too.
Great feeders too.
They're honestly healthier than most guppies and goldfish that you feed anyway. So they do
crazy.
like guppies anyway, so it's about the same thing. I know it's sad, but
Well, we got not only fish today, but we also got a little unboxing. This is exactly how big the tank is that the axolotls are in. And look how many fish we got. It's gonna literally cover like this much of the 125 gallons. But hey, that only means we can get more coming soon. Make sure you subscribe down below. Subscribe. We got all the fish. Let's go home. Look at all of our tetras. We got a total of like 40 fish. Doesn't look like it. Probably cover literally that much of the tank. It's all humid in here. You see this? I'm gonna wipe this down before we get to actually releasing the fish because we have a lot of water running now. I put even more filtration so it cleared the water up. Look how clear the water is. And everything's being medicated. So fish look good. I'm actually very, very excited to see them swimming around. You know, you see beasts. Water is like 80 degrees. I set up another little filter there for more flow, cleaning the water. This 5,500 gallon project has been a hassle. But we got new fish. They are acclimating, and that's gonna be another 10 minutes. So let's head outside and feed all of our children. Is that a light bulb? Good old yeet. So I have some really cool plans for this pond. I want to have a pond company come out and build it legit. Like, that's just what I want right now. I don't know if that'll actually happen, but I want to make this look nice. I want to get some landscape. I want to do like a waterfall in the back. I want to make this look awesome. That'll probably be like one of our next big projects. Will be the duck enclosure, making that pond hold water, nice clean water. That's why I say subscribe, because you won't miss out on stuff like that. Come here, buddy. There you go. What's going on, family? Come here, Lulu. There you go, girl. Couple scoops to them. It's actually crazy seeing how big these pigs are getting. They have this nice, beautiful enclosure. We have a total of 17 pigs here at the PC farm. 17 pigs, 6 goats, like 21 ducks, I think, a couple chickens, and emus as well. Hello, all my kids, literal kids. They call goats kids. You know that?
No.
Yeah. Boom! They just run right through it. And now we get a nice old scooparoo for Lady May and Mango. There you go. Over here, Lady May. Hey. The emu enclosure. Hi, guys. We cut down the rest of these trees here. So we're gonna plant some more plants right there, but at least nothing could fall onto the emus. They're so cool. We got some emu food for them too. So better diet. Here. Hey, come here. Oh! It feels so weird, dude. Emus are some really interesting animals, I'll tell you that, to say the least. They have a big enclosure too. This is all theirs. All this is theirs. I love having emus. I'm not gonna lie, this is one of my favorite animals on the farm now. That is that though. All the animals have eaten. Now what we do is go back into the fish building and we can put our new fish in. Lights on. Meet our axolotl mannequin. I got him at the reptile show. It's kind of cool. All right, it is time to put all of our fish into the new tank I'm so excited for this. First things first, our X-ray Tetras. What's a little Tetras? There we go. That's so crazy, bro. Schooling Tetras in there actually look awesome. I'll move this bag out of here and you can see them all. Look at that. What? That is sick. Yo, I'm actually really stoked with that. They're all in a school. Look at how freaking cool that is. We got more right here. These are gonna look even better because they're red. Grab the corner of the bag. They're gonna come in slowly because they gotta get the rocks out of here. I don't want the rocks going in. A couple more. That's it. Now this probably couldn't have went any better than it did. I mean, they look incredible. Look at the fish species now we have in here. As we get more fish coming, so we're gonna get some neon tetras with these little tiny blue, beautiful tetras. Probably get like 30 of those and they'll stay in one side, and it'll just be a bunch of tetras with beautiful axolotls at the bottom. Of course, we have the golden albino axolotl right here. Our bluegill leucistic axolotl that his gills turn really dark red when we feed, but otherwise they're like that light. It's really cool. And then we have just the regular old axolotl over here. And just beware of the axolotl. Thank you so much for watching. We got new fish. I hope you guys enjoyed the video because that's most important. Subscribe down below if you are not a PC member of the channel. You get exclusive content, exclusive live streams, merch discounts. Come over here. Your name when we do finish this. When we finish this, I gotta redo it because I messed the cut up. I'm not the best carpenter. Your name will be on this board right here along with all the other members. So make sure to become a member. The link is right down below to join. See ya in the next one. Peace.